Okay, write the slope-intercept form. This is once again y equals mx plus b of a line going through -3, -5, and perpendicular to this line. So to find the slope-intercept form, we need to have two things: a point, which we have right here, and the slope. We don't have a slope, but we do know this line is perpendicular to this one, and if we can find this slope, then that means we can find the slope of this line. So I'm going to solve this thing for y. I'm going to subtract x over 2y equals -4 minus x, and then divide everything by 2. That's going to give me -2 minus 1/2 x. Let's just rearrange this so it's a little bit easier to see. So this is our slope. This is in slope-intercept form, mx plus b, right? M is our slope, well, for this line. So m equals -1/2. Because our line that we want is perpendicular to this, perpendicular slope means that it has the negative reciprocal slope. In other words, change the sign. This is negative, so this is going to become positive. So it's going to become positive, and then flip whatever is there. So in this case, it's 1/2. We're going to flip that. It's going to become 2/1. If it was, for instance, 3, this would become 1/3. Because you can always write a whole number, or really any number like that, as the number over 1, and then just flip it. If it's a fraction, then it's very easy to flip. You just flip the fraction. But so positive 2/1, which is the same thing as just 2. So our slope, our m here, it's not this m. Our m is 2. And we know a point. So now we can either use the point slope form, plugging in this as x1, y1 into there and solving. You can also just take this formula here and plug these numbers into there and plug m into there as well. So y is the same thing as y1, so -5. M is just 2. X is -3. And b is what we're trying to find. If we know what m and b are, we know the point slope, or the slope-intercept form. So solving this gives us, or simplifying it first, then we can solve for b. Add 6. b equals 1. M is 2, b is 1. That means our slope-intercept form is 2x plus 1. That's our answer.